Good morning, investors. Ridhvej Finance presenting Samor Reality. Samor Reality is one of the basically this company has started begin their journey from interior decorator to the Samor Reality. Yeah, they have did a lot of projects over here. This is one of real estate first SME, second SME IPO we can say as of now. So Ridhvej Finance presenting Samor Reality Limited IPO 2021. Samor Reality Limited company detail. This company is pursuing partnership date on December 2nd, 2014. Samor Reality was thereafter converted into partnership firm into public limited in that case Samor Private Limited turned to the Reality Limited company Samor Reality Limited on for December 1st, 2020. So they are based in Shop Atlantis near Reliance Pump, Prahlad Nagar Road, Anand Nagar, Satellite, Ahmedabad, Gujarat 380015. They have believed in delivering value to our customer is their focus and partner to creating world-class product. The Gold by Samor is their project name. Samor Elegance, Samor Residency, Samor Heights. Samor Reality, we are focusing something on the Samor Reality. In that case, the main objects of our company set forth memorandum of association of our company as follows. One, first their objectives is to carry the business of builder, developer, machinery, erect and general maintenance, construction contract and hauler, and to construct, purchase, sell, executive, development, 10 operate, run, obtain, grant, lease, sublease, license arrangement for a tenancy right, let out. Our sell departmental store, office, residential apartment, bungalows, township, godown, factories, flat, warehouse, penthouse, resort, entertainment complex, malls, marketing, arcade, farmhouses, and there are theaters, residential school, playgrounds and gardens, recreation of center, building every other kinds of erection, infrastructure, constructions, works to promote, establish, acquire, purchase and sales, construction, develop a new project township and developer, provide, supply, maintenance, various infrastructure facility to undertake development of infrastructure projects in all areas and infrastructure to purchase, sell and deal in land immovable properties in India or any other part of the world, and any accretions there to in a form of area or any other forms whatsoever. Their second objective is to carry business in India or elsewhere as a buyer, seller, merchant, exporter, importer, trader, agent, dealer, distributor, commission agent, broker, stockist, preserve factors, consignor, collaboration, franchises, concessionary, consultant, advisor, manufacturer representative, job work, assembler, repair, facilitator, hire, leaseholder, and otherwise deal in all kinds of classes, size, nature and descriptions of a building material, real estate, constructions, material, industrial, commercial, consumer goods, item, things, article, command, merchandise, product and allied activities, commodities. The third objective is to promote, form cooperative housing societies, companies, trusts, body, corporate or other association whatsoever for furtherance to be Object of Samora Motherland LLP SML is the subsidiary of this company too. Okay. Samor Realty Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date 30 September 2021. IPO closing date will be 5th October 2021. Issue type fixed price issue. IPO face value will be 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 62 rupees per equity share. Market lot size is 2000 share. Listing at BSE SME. Pre-issue shareholding 76.50%, post-issue shareholding 53.37%. Thank you. Bye, Vridivej Finance. We will come back to you with very soon. Yes, dear investor, we have launched our another segment, and that is called Nasdaq. In case of Nasdaq, we have achieved recently an amazing, within 7 days we have picked up the achievement about the highest point, and yesterday night only we have seen that the graph goes down, even whatever give the target by us and it touches by Nasdaq. That is quite surprising. First time it's happening. We have launched this segment in the September, and now we have recently given our video in the week only, and which is comes true right now. So you can have a track on Nasdaq too if you are interested to do deal with international market. Hopefully you like it our videos. If you really like it, comment us into the below. Have a great day. Good day. IPO by choice in SME sector today only. There are a number of issues opening. You can